Dogecoin, Doge essentially is a mineable coin that fundamentally is presently exchanged at $0.076719 per unit. With the market capitalization of $10,768,092,438. That makes it a mid-position cryptographic money in a really significant manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for, in every practical sense, retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for genuinely huge institutional financial backers, who, all things considered, see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a certainly powerful generally fence against expansion that takes a genuinely weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an all things considered enormous way. Thusly, having essentially a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto fundamentally is basically an unquestionable necessity for any broker and financial backer who explicitly needs to, in every practical sense, develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in a huge manner. In any case, with it generally comes the need to intently explicitly follow the improvements on the express market, to grasp the kind of current circumstance, and sort of have some feeling representing things to come in an extremely huge manner. This Dogecoin cost expectation model truly was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, track down especially the best coins or tokens to basically put resources into, and really keep the value bend developing, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. However, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin investigation and cost expectation, we might want to generally help you to remember the fundamental principles of digital money exchanging and speculation, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its truly current standings, as well as the midterm and truly long-haul cost expectation that in every practical sense depends on the readings of our especially exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, or so they generally thought. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin generally remains at $0.076719, and this genuinely specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the 8th foothold in the worldwide digital currency, certainly positioning in a genuinely significant manner. For your data, the actual positioning of each and every digital money especially is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and explicitly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to, which fundamentally is very huge. Likewise, to explicitly get a for the most part better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance, and certainly grasp the very broad bearing of the pattern, or to in a real sense register its non-attendance, it means a lot to sort of break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in an all things considered large way. Recently, on July 27, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $0.077971 at the end of the very day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 3.24% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing value 7 days prior. On July 21, the Dogecoin market sort of remained at $0.070513 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an unobtrusive manner. As the outcome, the cost commonly moved by 0%, corresponding to its truly present standing. A month prior, on June 28, Dogecoin was estimated at $0.065570, which especially concurred with our value predict when it truly comes to digital currencies. Market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its especially generally speaking notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in every practical sense. Further appearance how yesterday, on July 27, the cost of Dogecoin essentially remained at $0.077971 at the end of the especially day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 3.24% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing value 7 days prior. On July 21, the Dogecoin market especially remained at $0.070513 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, or so they truly thought. Numerous digital currency dealers view market capitalization as a critical pointer to sort of be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which especially is genuinely huge. It certainly is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that fundamentally are right now available for use, circling supply, by the ongoing cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now generally remains at $0.076719 in an unobtrusive manner. Considering that recipe, we in every practical sense have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to for the most part be at $10,768,092,438, which legitimizes its place as the eighth coin among those essentially present on the digital money market in an unpretentious manner. Recently, on July 27, the market capitalization of Dogecoin basically remained at $10,942,154,096. Very keep going week. On July 21, the aggregate sum of genuinely capital committed to Dogecoin by and large was laid out at $9,889,827,696. The information from a month prior, enlisted on June 28, essentially shows that Dogecoin really had a market capitalization of $9,176,162 genuinely 525. Total stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that in a real sense have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders in every way that really matters, cold wallets. So likewise, to generally get a vastly improved in a real sense handle of the market circumstance and fundamentally grasp the overall heading of the pattern, or to generally enroll its non-appearance, it's additionally vital to dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, or so they thought. The very all-out supply likewise considers any coins that fundamentally have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, or so they thought. It can sort of measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that most certainly is public on the financial exchange, which truly is very huge. The genuinely all-out supply of Dogecoin right now basically remains at 143,356,826,384 Doge, which most certainly is genuinely huge. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply explicitly is the most normally involved pretty measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, or so they generally thought. It relates with the in every practical sense, best guess of the really generally speaking number of coins that for the most part are public on digital money trades and generally add to their liquidity in a truly significant manner. Their volume doesn't for the most part incorporate the coins that in every practical sense are vested, marked and fundamentally shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or especially put unavailable for general use in a quite enormous manner. The coursing supply generally is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange in a truly significant way. At the present time, the circling supply of Dogecoin sort of is assessed at 140,356,826,384 Doge. Additionally, the perusing of exchanging volume can truly assist one with really deciding genuinely better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the standards of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently fundamental.